p.m. or 10:07 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 13 miles northwest of Salem to 13 miles north of Tell City, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Salem, Powley, English, Carefree Town, Mount Pleasant, Orleans, Stappers Creek, Marengo, Leopold, and Campbellsburg. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 10:30 p.m. for the following counties: Perry, Indiana. Interstate 24 in Kentucky between mile markers 75 and 92. Penny Ryle Parkway between mile markers 1 and 4. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11 p.m. for the following counties: in Kentucky, Christian, Todd, and Trigg. The National Weather